In this video we are going to give you perfect review of Unlock Your Hip Flexors. Unlock Your Hip Flexors is an ebook that offers easy movements and explains how to strengthen and loosen your hips. The program is designed based on a process known as Sequential Flow. When these set of movements are performed correctly as per the sequential flow, then it can help you avoid imbalances and tightness occurred when you sit down and slouch a lot. In today's busy digital world, most of the work done just by pressing buttons, and your job is just to press the button and relax on the chair. Nowadays, people are ordering food online and paying utility bills online using their laptop or smartphone. When you do all these tasks just by sitting in your chair, what does that mean to your health and fitness? Sitting in front of your computer for long hours can cause some effects on your health and fitness level. That is why you should know how to unlock your hip flexors and how to balance your work and health. The Unlock Your Hip Flexors review can help you understand the effects and a less-known problem called tight hip flexors. Though some people know about this issue before, most people may not know about this condition, and that is why this program is designed. Also, to clear the impression that the Unlock Your Hip Flexors is a scam? Of course not, this program is absolutely genuine, and here you will learn more about it. What is Unlock Hip Flexors? Tight hip flexors happen in many people because of sitting on their hips for a long period. Even if you are an active individual or an athlete, you will still have to suffer from this tight hip flexor conditions due to the amount of time you will be spending a lot of time sitting on a computer chair. As per the CNN report, many Americans spend more than 10 hours a day in front of a computer. Consequently, if you are suffering from any of these conditions, including trouble sleep, bad posture, joint back pain, circulatory issues, digestive problems, high anxiety, loss of romance performance, lack of volatility in the gym, walking with discomfort, then it means you are most probably having tight hip flexors. According to the author of Unlock Your Hip Flexors, this is the practical and simplest way to instantly relaxing your hip flexors for more explosiveness, strength in the gym and all-day energy. The program is mainly designed to target the main muscle that is causing tight hip flexors. This main muscle is called psoas muscle. It is also known as mighty muscle as it is the only muscle in the human body that joins the upper and lower body. The side effects of tight hip flexors: back, leg, and joints pain, loses interest, romance activity, dizziness, sleep trouble, and fatigue, digestive problems, anxiety and stress problems. Some of these side effects cause severe health problems. The fact is, the flexibility of hip muscles and health are the major indicators of health and strength of your entire body. A healthy and flexible psoas muscle creates NPA, neutral pelvic alignment, and offers core strength and best mobility. Unlock Your Hip Flexors DVD video. This is the best way to know and understand the unlocking method, as in this video series, you will learn every exercise in detail. The authors separated this program into two parts. In the first part of the video series, author Rick explains every exercise clearly, and he will teach you how to perform these exercises carefully. In the second part of the video, you don't find any explanation. This is because the author wants you to do exercises without any discontinue in making sequence that is compulsory for unlocking hip flexors. Unlock Your Hip Flexors Main Manual. Unlock Your Hip Flexors Manual offers you in-depth information about the mighty psoas muscle and help you understand everything clearly. The manual helps you find everything about psoas muscle, and also it comes with images and pictures of exercises so that you can understand clearly while watching DVD series. However, learning about psoas muscle is difficult for people who don't have a science degree, yet one can understand this subject as both authors Mike and Rick have explained this difficult subject amazingly in an easy-to-understand format. You will also receive toe bonuses along with this DVD series and manual that includes 7-day anti-inflammation diet, unlock your tight hamstrings. Pros and cons of the Unlock Your Hip Flexors. Pros: easy to understand, no filler content, 60 days money back guarantee, require less time, great Facebook community as this program got more than 250,000 likes, proven exercises. Cons: not for everyone, redundant updates. Conclusion: Unlock Your Hip Flexors is a very helpful program created by Rick and Mike for those people who want to enhance their health without doing rigorous exercises. Both the authors have done an outstanding job by designing this program, and it is available at a very affordable price. The Sequential Flow method helped many people, and they have experienced positive results by unlocking their hip flexors.